The attestation process involves multiple steps before documents can be used in the UAE. Step 1. Notarization. Have your documents verified by a registered Spanish notary public. Step 2. Translation. Next, translate any Spanish documents into English for processing in the UAE. Step 3. Apostille. Then, obtain an apostille certificate from the Spanish Ministry of Foreign Affairs, which verifies the document. Step 4. The UAE Embassy. Have your documents consular stamped by the UAE Embassy in Madrid. Step 5. UAE Ministry of Foreign Affairs attestation. Finally, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in the UAE will validate all previous steps before issuing their stamp. This completes the process and you're ready to go. Is there a simpler solution to this complex process? Yes, Vital Certificates can assist you in the entire attestation process. As document attestation experts, we attest documents daily.